So the baseline, tell me what the baseline is, and perhaps you can answer Justice Kennedy's question more directly.
Well,
anything in the reservoir is a taking, anything downstream is never a taking.
Well, assuming it's permanent in the reservoir, which it's likely to be when the government is constructing it.
Well, no, not necessarily. Suppose that because of spring melt-off or other factors, it's clear that the reservoir for several months of the year will be more extensive than it will the rest of the year.
Right.
So you could say, just as here, that there's only been a temporary taking of some of the land behind the reservoir. Now, doesn't the government condemn all the land?
Yes,
even that which would be only temporarily flooded?
But that is covered by this Court's decision in Cress, in which the Court said that if you have a situation where property is permanently liable to inevitably recurring flooding, that's the same thing as a permanent, even though sometimes it's not covered, it is permanently liable